Here is the introduction of AVM application on semiconductor package bumping solder plating process. This is the overview of AVM applications on solder plating process. The detail will show in the below animations. Final electrical test to resistance real-time monitor. In solder plating process, user usually gets the value of metal resistance when bumping process is finished, and there is only sampling inspection after production. User can only get the delayed measurement data after the wafer is completed, which lead to quality issue and extra cost. Without resistance real-time measurement, we will suffer quality issue after final electrical test. How can we solve it? With AVM, user can get barrier resistance value of every wafer in real time by data affecting product quality in production tool. With AVM, user can get quality information of all wafers and prevent wafers from OC and OS in real time. Tool and production abnormal detect. AVM can determine if the equipment and production is abnormal through the data, which will affect product quality from process tools, and index these irregular variations such as GSI and DQIX. Once AVM determined the equipment and production is abnormal, alarm message will be sent, and user can take action according to the alarm information. With AVM, once wafer out of GSI and DQIX spec, alarm message will be sent for user to check tool status in real time.